your one.
This job can be very lucrative, but look at how they trade it off. Who says work can't be entertaining? This forklift operator turns every task into a performance. This device makes concrete drilling much simpler, while letting you work upright and stay safe from back strain. Is this incredible color transformation satisfying enough for you? That clean finish after his work? Now that's the kind of perfection I love to see. Technology allows jobs to be done more quickly. Watch this machine weld metal together so fast, you'd think it's pure magic. Not a single drop wasted, not a streak out of place. This is master level painting. The motion and depth present in this large pattern are really striking. Watch how this machine tightly packs each tire, keeping them secure and set for delivery. These copper pipes are joined with electromagnetic induction, an incredible process you can't stop watching. It's like they're turning hard work into music. Precision, rhythm, and pure mastery. This machine is the ultimate way to say goodbye to that old floor in no time. The accuracy of this machine always blows my mind. We also have to recognize how far machinery. Be honest, how many seconds did it take you to realize that's not meat? Forget 3D designs. These hands are crafting perfection in real time. This machine etches designs into metal with jaw-dropping precision. Have you seen anyone in real life work as perfectly as this? These hands are pure talent. Come on, this deserves a like, don't you think? Her skills are even better than some of her male counterparts. I can barely stand here, let alone work like she does. This guy takes window cleaning to a whole new level. A fantastic tool designed for tasks on inclined surfaces. Don't miss more satisfying videos, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments for us to be better in the future. It takes him just 5 seconds to complete the whole process. Have you ever worked with a master like this? With advanced technology, farming has reached an entirely new level of efficiency. Her work speed is so fast, even Light might struggle to keep up. Cutting-edge kitchen tech, saving time while enhancing flavors. Every bottle gets a flawless look thanks to automation. This is what handcrafted candy perfection looks like. Tell me you don't want to bite. With this machine, the nails will be pulled out effortlessly. Rocks don't stand a chance when this powerhouse gets to work. They've pushed creativity further, turning lawnmowers into rice, cutting machines.
Rất là nhiều người.
As technology advanced, people came up with mini rice harvesters like this. This is the perfect moment to see how a durable nail hammer is built from scratch.
Thank you for watching. Hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.